Hi guys, I just wanted to share this great product that I found with you guys that I've been using for the past couple of months, probably about 2 months, during which time I actually haven't scrapbooked. So this is kind of, I guess, a first impression of this product. As you can see, it is the Pop-In Large Desk Organizer, and I got this at Staples. I actually went in to get it, but you can buy it online. And as you can see, it's not the cheapest item in the world. It's actually $28.59 here in Canada. It's probably a little bit less in the United States. But I really like it. It's very well made. I'm going to show it to you in some detail here as soon as I get my camera sorted. There we go. So that's how you find it, but I just wanted to show you how I've been using it. So basically, I've been using this as a catch-all for my Project Life pieces, and that includes both the kits that I get every month. I have 3 kits here, as well as any other things that I just want to include in my Project Life. So I've got like a little bag here that has some Halloween print on it, and we don't really do Halloween. I mean, we celebrate Halloween, but it's not nearly as big a deal as it used to be when my kids were younger. So I've got that because I'm probably not going to have much Halloween, so I thought that that would be a nice way to kind of accentuate. I've got a card for a takeout restaurant that we went to. This is a little sticker that came with something that we ordered. It's a little Animal Crossing sticker. I have an embroidery sticker from something I ordered. These are some, what are they called? Coasters. They're called coasters that, pardon me, that again came in a takeout order that we had. We got a new Apple product recently, so I have the sticker here in case I want to use it in my Project Life. And then this is a bathing suit label, like a little label for the bathing suit that I bought recently that I actually really love. I love it so much that I bought one back about probably February, and then I love it so much that I recently bought a new one, and this is the tag from the new one. So there's that. And then what I really like about this tray is that it gives me room for 3 full Project Life kits here. Because of the size of it, you can fit 3 4x6 cards side by side, and that allows me to keep my Project Life supplies in order. Now, my plan is always to be scrapping each month as I go, but in this case I haven't scrapped for about 2.5 months, so I've got 3 well, I haven't scrapped for about 2 months, but I was a little bit behind where I left off, so I've got 3 months worth of kits here that I want to use. And normally I would just mix up my products, but there's Thanksgiving and there's Halloween and there's back to school transition, and all of those things are in these kits, and I know which kits they're in, so I've just kept them separate so that I can scrapbook these last couple of months in the next couple of days. So and I really like that it has this larger place in the back, and I'm going to take everything out and show you exactly how it looks, that you can keep bigger pieces, because with school age kids I often have things that I might want to put in just like an 8.5 by 11 page protector, just as a little insert for my Project Life. And so this gives me a really great way to keep those sorts of things. Now, what I have found is that over the months, the things that I hang on to, not all of them go into my pages, but it's nice to have a lot of options for what you might want to use, either as filler or to build a story around, depending on how rich my Project Life is for that month. So if I don't have much to say, then something like a bathing suit label might become its own story. And if not, I might just tuck it in, or I might even not use it at all. So I really want to show you what I love about this. So I'm going to take all of these pieces out. So, and I just keep the little Ali Edwards embellishments that come with each kit. So I've got 3 kits here. The 3 embellishments are right here, and I know which one. It's pretty evident that this is November, this is October, and this is September. I'm going to take these out, and the way I have these stored is just all of the 4x6 stuff is in the back, and then I have the stamp set, and then I have all of the 3x4 cards in the front. And I'll take these out as well. Come over here. And so this is how it ends up looking. Now I have taken out this piece because this piece is actually not big enough for the piece. I guess, no, it won't fit that way either. But you could actually use this as a little storage on your desk to hold maybe stamps or sticker sheets or whatever else you want to use. I will definitely use this. In fact, what I plan to do is on times when I don't have 3 kits accumulated, which hopefully is most of the time, what I actually plan to do is have my 3x4 Allie Edwards cards here, and then have my 4x6 Allie Edwards cards here, or even like that, and then use the rest of these for little pieces of ephemera that I gather all through the month, and including the little embellishments that go with the kits might go right here, for example. So I really do like that you have that flexibility with this item, that these pieces, they can come out. Oh, they're really loud, but they can come out or they can move around, and there's 2 of them. So you have one for the little tray and one for the medium tray, and then the big tray doesn't have one. You can attach this to your wall, so it's got these little holes in it that I don't think it came with any hardware to attach it to your wall, but I think you could kind of use standard maybe screws and anchors. I'm not sure. But basically, I like its flexibility. I also really like its portability because I have actually moved this around my scrap room various times during the time that I've been using it. So, you know, if my table over there that I usually store it on is getting really crowded, I can just move it and even put it on the floor if I need to. And because it's all contained, it doesn't get dusty or anything like that. So again, it's pop in. I will try to show you the logo for it right there. So it's pretty sturdy, and I like how it's kind of rounded. It has this nice sleek look to it. And because it's white, it matches with most of the furniture in my scrap room. And it does come in a couple of other colors. I know it comes in like a blush pink that's really, really pretty. I was tempted to buy it, but I don't have anything else pink in here, so I didn't. And it might come with a turquoise color as well. I know that a lot of the pop-in supplies do come in pink and turquoise, as well as the white. I don't know the other colors, but you check out the Staples website and they'll show you all that they have. So if you are looking for some good Project Life storage that is compact and portable, I think that this might be worth considering. Check it out. I do want to point out that the dividers in this don't go all the way. So if you're using it to store really loose things, they're not going to stay contained in the little containers. For example, I wouldn't put sequins or something in here because they're going to get stuck in there, as you can see. But it's great for storing these sorts of kind of larger items that aren't going to kind of get lost in the bottom. So I hope that you found this helpful. If you are looking for some Project Life storage that is small, contained, and portable, check this out because this might meet your needs. It's been meeting my needs so far. So thanks so much for watching, and have a really great scrappy week.